Strong, advanced, and ready for the future, the KC-46 Pegasus is the United States Air Force's newest aerial refueling aircraft. Built to replace aging tankers, it brings modern technology, greater efficiency, and unmatched versatility to the skies. More than just a flying fuel station, the Pegasus can carry troops, cargo, and even serve as a flying hospital during critical missions. In this video, you will discover how the KC-46 works, its incredible capabilities, and why it has become one of the most important aircraft in modern aviation. The Pegasus is not just supporting the mission, it is redefining the way airpower reaches the world. The KC-46 Pegasus is a state-of-the-art aerial refueling and transport aircraft developed by Boeing and officially entered service in 2019. It is based on the Boeing 767 airframe but redesigned with advanced systems to meet the evolving demands of global military operations. With a fuel capacity of more than 200,000 pounds, it can refuel fighters, bombers, and transport aircraft mid-flight, extending their range and endurance far beyond normal limits. Equipped with a fly-by-wire refueling boom and hose and drogue systems, the KC-46 provides flexible options for supporting multiple types of aircraft. It is capable of transferring thousands of pounds of fuel in minutes, ensuring missions continue without interruption. Beyond its primary role, the Pegasus is also designed to carry up to 65,000 pounds of cargo, transport troops, and perform aeromedical evacuations with advanced medical facilities on board. Modern defensive systems, secure communications, and advanced avionics make the KC-46 capable of operating in contested environments, giving it a significant advantage over older tankers. Its multi-role capability ensures it can adapt to combat operations, humanitarian relief, or medical support with equal efficiency. The KC-46 Pegasus represents the future of aerial refueling and global mobility. It is a symbol of strength, reliability, and modern innovation, ensuring that airpower can reach anywhere in the world whenever it is needed.